everyone. In today's video we will see how to add an HP Smart Tank printer to Mac, wireless setup and connection guide. Fix 1. Connect the HP Smart Tank printer to Wi-Fi. Turn on the printer and place it near your Wi-Fi router. Put the printer into wireless setup mode if it's not already connected. Select your Wi-Fi network from the printer wireless setting menu. Then enter the Wi-Fi password and wait until the wireless light remains solid. Fix 2. Install the HP app on your Mac. So download and install the HP app from the HP setup website. Now open the app and select Add Printer. Allow the app to search for printer connected to your network. Now select your HP Smart Tank printer and follow the setup instruction. Fix 3. Add the printer through Mac OS setting. Open System Settings and select Printer and Scanner. Now click the plus Add Printer button. Then wait for your HP Smart Tank printer to appear in the list. And select the printer and choose AirPrint and click Add. Now the fix 4. Print a test page. Open any document, photo or web page on your Mac. Click File, Print and select your HP Smart Tank printer. Now send a test printer job to verify the connection. And if the page prints successfully, the setup is complete. Fix 5. If your Mac cannot find the printer, confirm that both the Mac and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now restart the printer, Mac and Wi-Fi router. Then move the printer closer to the router if the signal is weak. Remove and re-add the printer through scanner and printer. Now the fix 6. Connect using Wi-Fi directly. So enable Wi-Fi direct from the printer setting. Now connect your Mac to the printer direct HP wireless network. Then enter the Wi-Fi direct password displayed by the printer and add the printer through printer scanner and start printing. The fix 7. Update macOS and printer firmware. So check for the latest OS update in system setting, then general and then software update. Now open the HP app and look for available printer firmware update. Then install all update and restart the printer if required. Then update the software, help improve connectivity and printer performance. Goodbye and thanks for watching.